Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time at Children's Garden Montessori here in Superior Township next to Canton, Michigan. And such a beautiful morning and afternoon. Got to have two visits with the AM students and then the PM students and the teachers as well, talking about diversity today and the need for human kindness. Ties into one of their posters right behind me, says, "We are all friends and we are all different," right? And that's okay, that if we are different, we can still choose to show kindness to others and still choose to include everyone. Some of us are born different. We walk different, talk different, see different, hear different, learn different, have a different skin color, wear different clothes. We're born from somewhere else, speak a different language. No matter what our differences are or our diversity, we can still choose that respect, right? Still choose that empathy, still choose that compassion. And that's for any differences on the outside or on the inside, right? We have different skills, talents, abilities, and we still need to appreciate everyone no matter what. And so that was the big theme that we really tried to hammer home. It also ties into this image that's on my shirt for this talk, the need for human kindness, right? And that the peace sign does begin inside the heart. That's where peace begins. And also two individuals, you can see there, just to show that kindness isn't just about that kindness that we show ourselves. That's very, very important, to believe that, even our differences are okay to us, but then to go help others see that they're beautiful as well, especially if they've forgotten that. And really, we think about the need for human kindness and how important it is, because it's just maybe not just the person that you show that act of kindness towards or say that kind word to. It could be anyone else who's in that same area that hears that or sees that themselves, that it changes their heart too. So through a series of inspirational stories, motivational videos, some positive music, that's what I really tried to hammer home today, right? And I believe that the students really got it, that they felt the heart element. They understood that sometimes your heart's the only thing that people will remember you for or want to remember you for. And that in a world where we can be anything, we have to be kind. And we need to remember this too. All of us with the lines in each of our hand. I traced one of mine here with washable marker, but with the lines in each of your palms, if you look at your palms, with the lines on your hand, you have at least one M on each hand. And we talk about how this M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W stands for worthy, that we are all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and to receive it. And it's so, so important in today's world, in this society at large, that we have to include others. We have to see them, for their heart first, treat them as human beings, treat them with love, and really, try to be an example, and to, have these young students and these young minds already starting to get the wheels turning as to what it means to have a lasting impact on others around us. It's so amazing to me, right? And I'm so incredibly blessed to be doing this work, because you can see how vital it is. And so I think, the biggest takeaway is that, now they're already getting these tools at this young age to go out and be that change, be the change that they want to see, and start to make a difference even at that young age. Thank you so much for the opportunity to come and speak here. Hopefully I get to come back again and share my heart in the future. Until then, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Check out the playlist of videos for some more motivation that you'll see too. And visit my website through the other link on this video to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.